If you've ever seen the movie Rocky, you'll notice a guy cracking raw eggs. This is a little bit less of a manly way to go about it, but it tastes delicious. And the recipe that I use is 6 eggs. You can do 5. My buddy does 7. I find 6 to be really good. And what I do is I do 6 raw eggs, a bunch of ice. In this case, I'm going to use like 10 cubes of ice. A tablespoon of cocoa. Now, I've done a little bit more cocoa thinking like I want to hide the taste of raw eggs, but the reality is that more cocoa does not actually make it taste better. It's kind of like cinnamon. A little less is more in many ways. Same thing with cream. Tried like multiple teaspoons of cream, tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of cream. You do you, but I find 1 tablespoon like so, a little spillover, that's fine. And then the final ingredient to it is a banana, to which if you don't grow bananas, you can freeze bananas. You can grow them on your own homestead. That's amazing. This is our first batch of bananas here. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but you know, that's our first batch. So that's one of the main ingredients that you're gonna need is the bananas. Bananas. And freezing bananas is a great way to go. If you do freeze a banana, peel it first. Peel your banana first, freeze it. It'll turn brown, it'll look ooky, but it'll be frozen, and actually you can use less ice if that is the case. I'm using a Blendtec because it's like my favorite blender. It literally pulverizes anything, but you can do whatever you want to do. Ninja Bullet, whatever you want to do. Mix it all up. That's it. Get the blender off. And I'm telling you, it doesn't seem like it's delicious, but it tastes just like a chocolate protein shake. And it is, I mean, it's better than a chocolate protein shake. It's delicious. Super healthy for you, pretty top calorie intensive, but it's also like 30 grams of protein, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. So it's a meal, and it's something you can make for like very little dollars. Delicious. I know it sounds weird. Make it, use good ingredients. Use good cage-free eggs if you can. I've done it with different types of eggs for friends. It's not the same. The better the ingredients, the better that it's going to come out. And it is much better than a protein shake, way cheaper than a protein shake, way healthier for you than a protein shake. Peace. So what I'm doing here is I am peeling that banana. You buy them green and then you know how they go. But right when they get to that spot, that's when you want to peel them, put them in a bag, freeze them, and it'll last a long time for you. So most areas, I guess all areas, you could technically have your own chickens if you want to. Ours are young. Trying to grab and collect eggs, ladies. Grab and collect eggs. More eggs? Yes? More eggs. So got my bananas peeled. Push the air out of the bag. Push the air out of the bag. Just like so. Boom. Freeze up your banana. If you really want to go above and beyond, take your waste and put it in the compost. In my compost bin here to come on. Boom. And those guys there are soldier flies. Kind of look nasty and disgusting, but the chickens love those things. So it's all in the circle of life.